Hello guys, my name is Luca from AudioTribe YouTube channel, and in this video we will make an unboxing and I will give you my first impressions about the Soundcore Rave3S. Why I buy this speaker? Because many of you ask me if this is better than the JBL Party Box 320. So in this video I will make the unboxing, I will make a sound test, a loudness test, an intensity test and a bass test, and of course we will see if this speaker really worth $270. So let's see what we have in the box. On the box we see that it has 200 watts of power, we see that it has multiple light show, and of course it has dual wireless microphones. Bass up 200 watts, a vocal removal, and we have here the AudioTribe button. I am very curious if this will work with JBL speakers. 12 hours of playing time, mic and guitar input, and that's about it. But let's see how good it is, this speaker. This is the speaker. As I told you, it is a brand new unit. This is the speaker. Inside of the box we have here batteries for connecting to the microphone, the manual that no one reads, and of course the USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Of course it has 4 batteries because on the back you will see that it has these 2 microphones. So let us turn this on. Cool sound. Let's take a closer look. On the front of the speakers we see here that it has a 6.5-inch woofer, and of course it has 1, 2, 3 full range speakers. Of course it has a light show. Let's see on the top. So probably this is the level of the battery. The bass boost, it has only 1 level, and this is the button to change the lights. Okay, I will leave it with this light. You see here on the right, of course the JBL Party Box 320 looks much more better, and it has the play forward and backward buttons, bass or AudioTribe to connect multiple speakers together. This is the button that remove the vocals from the songs, and here are this is the volume of this speaker. Whoa, I really like that when you adjust the volume. You see here, we know that here it is at around 60%, and this is the reverb of the microphone. It says Soundcore on the top. It has this handle, and of course it has 1 microphone here and 1 microphone here. Now let us see the inputs. Rave3S. So this is the place where you can charge the speaker, the aux in, the button that you can change between the guitar or the mic, and of course this is the wired volume, so you can wire another speaker. This is the bass port, this is the bottom. Okay, so it looks okay, but it doesn't impress me. So let's do the sound test to see how loud this speaker really is and how much intense we have from this speaker. First will be the loudness test, and for that I will place at around 1.5 meters a decibel meter to measure the loudness. We will put it on dBA and on the maximum value.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just get buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate.
So on the loudness scale it reached 104.5 decibels. Of course this speaker it is very loud because it has these three 2.5 full range drivers, you know, but on the bass part we don't feel that it is that much powerful. Now I activated the bass and we will make the intensity test to see how much intensity will this speaker have. So for that we will reset the decibel meter, put it on dBc to measure the intensity and on the maximum value.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just get buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I can walk, see, hear, I should celebrate.
So on the dBc scale the Soundcore Rave3S recorded a maximum peak of 103.9 dBc. That doesn't impress me that much. Of course the bass that comes from only one 6.5 inch woofer, it is not enough to shake the house. Of course the JBL Party Box 320 has two 6.5 inch woofers. So many of you ask me to make a cross comparison review between the JBL Party Box 320 and this Soundcore Rave3S, but I can definitely tell you that from the first test that I did it, of course this speaker will be compared to the JBL Party Box 120 and not with the 320, but I will make a cross comparison review in the next days. And now let's do the bass test to see how low this speaker can get, and for that I will make a bass test that goes from 100 Hz to 5 Hz to see how good it will be. And of course we are gonna play it at full volume. Look at the lights that increasing. That was really cool. Of course I do not recommend you to do this kind of tests because you can damage the speaker. As you saw, it was a lot powerful between 50 and 40 Hz, but after 35 Hz and down the speaker was not that great. But we saw the movement even at 15 Hz. That means it goes very good in low frequency, and we want to see if the power of the bass that comes from the 6.5 inch woofer will increase in power till 100% of the volume, because the JBL speakers increase in power only till 60 or 70%. Remember that the bass it is activated. So for that we will wanna put a 40 Hz flat and see how much it will increase in power. We will put the decibel meter on dBc on the maximum value and let's start increasing power. So unfortunately, similar with the JBL speakers, the Soundcore Rave3S doesn't increase in power after 65% of the volume. Well, we made the measurements and it doesn't look that good. On the loudness scale, we measured the dBA and it reached 104.5, and on the loudness scale, we measured the dBc and it reached 103.9 dBc. It's not that loud as a JBL Party Box 320. It is not that powerful as a JBL Party Box 320, but it is good. Unfortunately, I don't like that the sound it is not balanced. Of course, I don't like that the highs are just too high and the bass it is not that powerful. Of course, we made the bass test. We saw that it goes lower in frequency. Even at 10 Hz, the movement of the speaker we can definitely feel, but of course it is not that powerful. And of course we saw that the bass increase in power till around 65% of the volume. So is this a good speaker or not? Should you buy it? In my opinion, yes, because it costs only $270. That means it is cheaper than the JBL Party Box 120, and you get two wireless microphone here. In my opinion, this is a very good speaker. You have the lights. Of course, it is not that great as the JBL Party Box 320. It has the full range 2.5 inch speaker. It has one 6.5 inch woofer, so it does the job. Of course, it has the II function. That means it will remove the vocals from a sound and you can play over the negative. So yes, for $250 it's worth it. But the main question was this: is this better than a JBL Party Box 320? In my opinion, no, it is not better. Probably it is at the same level with the JBL Party Box 120. Of course, I will make a cross comparison review between these three speakers and I will tell you which is better. But till now, yes, I can recommend you to buy this speaker because it sounds okay-ish. So it sounds good but not amazing. It is loud but not amazing. It has bass but not amazing. I would definitely recommend you to use this speaker at probably 80% of the volume at the max, because I don't like how it sounds afterward. And yeah, it costs $270 and you get two microphones. For $270 it's worth it, but if you want a better sound quality, louder, if you want intensity and bass, I will choose a different speaker. But I am very curious, which one will you choose? Because this is not an easy choice, you know. The JBL Party Box 320 costs $550 to $500, while this costs only half, $270. So feel free to subscribe AudioTribe channel and please hit that like button. Cheers.